Hey there. So I just got a box in. It's from Norwex. So I figured I would come on and show you what a Norwex consultant wants and what I got with my perks. So I didn't pay even the shipping on this. So as a consultant, I can get a percentage off what I want to buy, and then as I am sharing what I use and with others, I'm earning commission, and that commission I can use towards what I want to buy as perks. So this is something that I do not like to go without whatsoever. This is my dishwasher soap, the Ultrazyme. This reminds me of like those little scrubby bubbles when I was a kid, and they used to play that commercial, and it was the guys with the scrubby bubbles, and they'd go all over the tub and they'd clean everything. This stuff eats up the food particles that are in the dishwasher off the dishes, cleans the dishwasher. I soak different variety of things in it. The shower curtain when it gets nasty. My husband's baseball caps when they're, he sweats in them so they get nasty. This stuff will take that gunk off, but not bleach them. So I can clean his black hats. So super cool. Ultrazyme, I love it. Also, when my granddaughter has an accident in her panties, we use this to clean them because it also gets that protein out from the urine. Super cool. Next up, these are the dish cloths. These are my favorite. This is to clean dishes with. So I can use any kind of regular hand dish soap with these, and I love these. And then when they get dirty, I just will put it across the top rack of the dishwasher and run the dishwasher, and it cleans it. So yeah, I just wanted to get new ones of these. These do not have the back lock in them, so that's why you can use whatever dish soap that you prefer on them. But that's what I use, like to scrub any of the dishes to get the loose food off, or I use it on my pans, my cast iron. They're great. Last but not least is the Forever glass bottle. So these are great. This is the third one that I have. So I can fill this with whatever I want. So one of them I have the degreaser in, diluted, so I use that on my pans. And then the other one I have my laundry detergent in there, diluted, which I use anywhere spot cleaning throughout, I can spray it on anything just to kind of break it down before I'm going to wipe it off, because sometimes like stuff has got stuck dirt on it, like the sliding glass door or anything like that. So this one I decided to get the gray bottom, so now I have a different bottom for each one, and I'm going to use this one for the bathroom cleaner because I really, really like the bathroom cleaner too. I put it in here and dilute it, and it goes a long way, and it reminded me of Rain-X. So I'm in the shower, and after I had cleaned with the bathroom cleaner, I'd wipe down with the bathroom scrub mitt, and then as I'm taking a shower like the next day, I noticed the water was beading and running off. So it's going to kind of like put a little bit of a protectant, if you would, on there from getting anything like any of your soap scum buildup on there. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I just wanted to come on and show you the 3 things that I got with my perks, why I love Norwex. Thanks for watching.